they say not a good time. You're going and I'm staying. It was a tremendously happy love affair. It's about to end in tragedy. It's a pity. Huge amounts of persuasion only worsened the situation. Leaving was a realization of the dream you wanted to pursue. It was the end of you. What else can I do? I love you. 20 minutes before takeoff just don't make sense. A dream which took us a lifetime to build comes apart in just a matter of minutes.
This is gonna hurt me more than it's gonna hurt you. We've been together for so long.
Flight 101 bound for Honolulu and San Francisco is in its final boarding process. All passengers for this flight are requested to board at gate
I
number
have to
1.
go now. I'm gonna miss you.
Last call to all passengers of Philippine Airlines.